4 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. Ganda ang depensa ni Redwan. Masyado lang sa tira. Pero ako ng jersey number 29. Plus yung jersey number 11 for 3. Jersey number 11, 3. Jersey number 28. Puts it up and struggle. Rebounding jersey number 6, it was. Passing jersey number 29. Back to jersey number 11. Another same spot. It's so good. Rebounding jersey number 21. Passing jersey number 17. 4 minutes and 10 seconds to play. Jersey number 71. There's a foul. Remaining jersey number 27. Left hand. Timeout, Barangay Panginoon. Time remaining 4 minutes and 4 seconds to play. Para sa ating third quarter, score 69-48. Para sa ating third quarter score, 69-48. Number 17, Rico pass to jersey number 71. Simple. 7-second shot clock, 7 seconds to shoot. Pass to jersey number 17, 5-second shot clock. Jersey number 71, 3-second shot clock. Almost losing the ball. 24-second shot clock, violation para sa Barangay Panginoon. Number 4, Narbasa. Setting the play, pass to jersey number 23. To jersey number 15, back to jersey number 4. To jersey number 23, corner pass to jersey number 15. 8-second shot off. And ball, back to jersey number 23. 3 minutes and 30 seconds to play. Jersey number 23. There's a whistle foul coming jersey number 15. And in second foul, warning for penalty. Barangay Tabet. Time remaining 3 minutes and 30 seconds to play. Score 69-48. 21-point para sa Barangay Tabet. That's jersey number 23 for 3. And Mulgan on jersey number 6. And the pass to jersey number 4, Narbasa. Waiting for his teammate to jersey number 15 for the jumper as well. Jersey number 71, and jersey number 2, De La Vega, up and under and good for 2. Jersey number 4, Ronnie Bautista, la pass to jersey number 8, and a shot to the pass. Now jersey number 23, pass to De La Vega, up and pass to jersey number 71. A shot to the last turnover. Time remaining 2 minutes and 51 seconds to play. Score 71-50. Jersey number 4, Narbasa. Almost intercept. 12-second shot clock. Jersey number 23.